Hello guys, I am Saurabh. Today I am showing you how to find, track and locate your mobile phone current location. You can do it, you can use this feature if your mobile is told, and you can track perfectly where your mobile phone current location. And it's a simple process and legally. You can do it through Google account. Yes, Google have this feature, tracking feature. It's also have many helpful features, so stay with this tutorial at last and you can learn perfectly. So let's start this tutorial. I am use this Google Chrome browser. Open your own computer browser and then open your Gmail account. Then you can see the right side at top corner your profile picture. Click on your profile picture, then go to my account, click on your my account, then open your account and scroll down and you see the find your phone. So click the link get started. With Gmail account logged in your device and your mobile, this same Gmail log in your computer browser, then you can track your mobile phone and see your device is here and click on your device, click, and also give the password, your Gmail password, and sign in. Even if mute your mobile and your SIM card is removed by another person, but you can call your device from here and more so simple find your phone. So I am go to first locate my mobile and click locate, and also give your password, Gmail password, and sign in. Then you can see your phone model number. Then you can try to locate your mobile phone as click your GPS location, and then I am Indian, so my current location is India. You can see and perfectly, and you can see the last login to my connecting my phone. If your phone is online and your GPS is on, then you can connect your phone device perfectly and properly. You can see, zoom it, and you can see my current location. You can also lock your phone and protect your phone. If you set a password and lock your home screen, so you can give a new password and confirm password. You cannot give a Google account password, you think a new password. Also you can send a recovery message. You can type a message and requesting message, your phone please back, give me back, and your phone number. You can also give your phone number and protect your phone and lock. Then also erase your phone as online. You can erase your phone, erase all data. This perform a factory reset on your device. Your app, photos, music and settings will be deleted. After you erase the device, Android device manager will no longer work. This reset is permanently. We may not be able to wipe the account of the SD card in your device. If your device is online, we will perform the factory reset as soon as is go online. Here is available or more helpful features. Consider erasing your device. You can erase your device data permanently. You can choose and erase. Reach out for local help. You can call your phone and local help for your stolen mobile. Sign out your phone. You can sign out your accounts from here. Try calling your phone, and at last your lock screen and save a password, new password. If this video helpful for you and you enjoy this video, please don't forget a like, and get for more technical videos, helpful videos, to subscribe my channel and stay with me. Thanks for watching friends, and take care. Tata. See you next time my next video.